This is Zichru Daf Simanim Gemara Basra Daf Kof Mem Gimel. Now Kof Mem Gimel over here, we have it being the acronym for Krav Maga, which is a type of karate self-defense. So this is a karate master, Krav Maga master. So we have a picture over here of this Krav Maga master, this karate master, that after defeating his opponent is lifting his trophy high and saying, "You and the donkey can have my trophy," which is a case of ata v'chamar, acquiring possessions. We have the wife looking on and telling the other children that the husband said to you and your sons, and nechasai leich ulebenayich. And in such a case, the halacha is the children get half and she gets half. And point number 3 is we have the brothers sitting there improving the estate, thanking each other for approving the land for us as well. You see the property of Mr. Maga Sr., all of his shalom is going up, that when adult sons improve the estate, they will divide the dividends. We have Davkov Mem Gimel, the Krav Maga master. After defeating his opponent, he is giving away his properties. Ata v'chamar, acquire my properties. Number 2, he gave his wife nechasi lach ulebenayich, and we see that they're splitting it. Number 3 is that when the field's improved, they will divide the improvement. So point number 1 was he's giving away his trophy as he's saying at v'chamar har kaina. Says the Gemara. If you say kini kechamar, of course the donkey is not kaina, he's not kaina. If he says at v'chamar, Rav Nachman says you get half. Why? Because we interpreted that he and the donkey should each receive half. So it's true the donkey can't get half, but he does get half. Rav Amnuna says you get nothing. Why? Because the donkey doesn't get anything, you do not get anything. So that's a machlekes that Rav Nachman held you get half. Rav Amnuna says you get nothing, and Rav Sheshes says you get everything, because he knows the donkey doesn't get anything, and therefore he wants the gift to go to whomever is able to. Rav Sheshes is a raya from a brisa from Truma, and we'll leave it at that. Point number 2 is the wife sitting there with that massive check, and she's telling the sons that the husband said that the property goes to you and to the children. Rav Yosef says kansa mechsa, she acquires half. And what was the raya? The raya was from Rebbe, who taught from the pasuk by lechem abanav asil aron lebanav mechsel aron mechsel levanav. So when you say a person in a group, each owner says half. Says Abaya, that's no raya. Why? Because Aaron already got a share on its own. Aaron bar Chalukahu of the lechem upon him, whether he was mentioned at all, whether he was mentioned or not. Excuse me. Whereas the wife would not be eligible for anything unless she was mentioned, and therefore it's not a raya. And point number 3 is that the adult sons improve the estate before they and the minor sons divided. This is next Mishnah that someone says if someone dies, left over older and younger children, ishvichu gedolim es nechasim, ishvichu lehem, so they split the estate. But if they said, meaning they want to divide it, but they're saying you're not dividing it, okay, but now we're working the land, then the halacha is they get the dividends themselves. So we have Davkov Mem Gimel, the Krav Maga master, giving away his trophy for At V'chamar, whether At V'chamar works, the 3-way machlekes. The wife that says to the children holding the massive prize money check, that the husband says, the chasei leich ulebenayich, that they're going to split it. And the next Mishnah that discusses someone who improving an estate, everyone divides the improvements, including the younger children, unless he said that look what it is and I want to divide it, I want to split it, and then he improves it, then he only gets the dividends. Davkuf Mem Gimel, the Krav Maga karate master.